Hello.
Hello, sir. I'm Astha this side. How are you, sir? So let me know, is this the right time to talk to you?
Yeah, sure, we can talk right now. I was just doing some analysis regarding the TALLENTEX. As you must be knowing that it will be conducted on 12th of November. Anyways, just tell me, how can I help you?
Actually, sir, I need your help. I was having a concern regarding TALENTEX. Although I'm well prepared for this exam,
Yeah.
but I don't have this idea like what will be the process and how to attend the TALENTEX Overseas exam paper. Like it's my first time and I'm just nervous a little bit. So could you please guide me?
Yeah, sure, why not? Just allow me a few minutes and I'll definitely get back to you, okay?
Oh, okay, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. We are getting multiple calls regarding the same issue. I think I should make a video on it. So let's go. Hello everyone, welcome to TALLENTEX Overseas. So I hope by this time you must have prepared for TALLENTEX Overseas. And in today's video, we will be seeing that what will be the do's and don'ts that you have to keep it in your mind while you will be attempting the question paper, and how you can log in to reach out to the question paper. So let's move forward and see that what are the do's and don'ts for TALLENTEX Overseas 2023. Okay, so basically you should have these minimum system requirements for your system, like you should at least have this Windows 7 and 10 4GB RAM and 100 MB hard disk free space, and the latest version of Google Chrome, and these basic internet connection requirements, right? Secondly, you should at least log in 15 minutes prior to the commencement of the exam so that there will be no rush. Okay, and you should obviously read all the test instructions and all the information carefully before starting the question paper, and you should sit in a quiet room with a clean desk, and you're keeping your laptop completely charged and connected to internet supply. Okay, carefully read all the entire questions like before answering it, and attempt the easy sections first so that you can have some confidence boost and you will be able to score more marks. Okay, and do maintain the decorum while appearing for the test, and always keep the track of the exam. Okay, because you will be having only 120 minutes, so it should not be like this that you are wasting a lot of time on a single question. Moving forward, that keep the sufficient number of blank sheets or the papers for the rough work. Okay, and the next don'ts which you have to keep it in your mind, that don't take the test in public place. It should not be like this that you are taking the test while you are traveling or you are at the airport or bus station. It should not be like this, because you won't be able to focus completely on the test, right? And do not change the computer or the laptop while writing the test, because again you will have to log in and it will make a lot of loss of your time. Similarly, there should not be anybody else present in the test taking room, right? And do not share the internet bandwidth during the course of the exam so that you don't feel any interruption while writing the exam. Do not keep any paper, book or notebook, anything like that while you are attempting the question paper. Okay, and do not use the mobile phones, speakers, headphones or Bluetooth devices. Okay, and do not leave the test area while the exam is in process. Do not log out or switch off the computer system, because if you will be doing that, you will have to log in again and again. You will be ending up with loss of your time. So do not guess answers, because there will be negative marking, and that negative marking is for class 8 onwards. Okay, and do not utilize any unfair means to gain advantage in the exam, because you will end up being blocked. Okay, so let's now see that what's the process and what's the way in which you can reach out to the exam paper. So basically we have two ways in which you can log in to reach out to the question paper. So the first way is that you can log into our website, which is www.allenoverseas.com. So when you will be clicking on that link, you will end up on our website, and in this website you will find one option to log in, and when you will be clicking on that option, it will ask you that where do you want to log in. So obviously we have to click on TALLENTEX, and this window will appear which will be asking for your credentials. Okay, so you just have to fill your email address and password, and then you have to click on login. So when you will be clicking, you will find another tab over here on which live will be written, and that tab will be there only on the day of examination, right? So when you will be clicking on that tab, you will end up on this screen. So on this screen, you just have to fill your form number and the password, and when you will be clicking on continue, you will end up on this screen. and the data shown to you on this screen will be according to your country. And when you will be clicking on take the test, so you will end up with the instructions of the examination. Okay, so you just have to read all the instructions very carefully, and you will have one checkbox which you have to tick to accept all the terms and conditions. And when you will be clicking it, you will find one option to start your examination. You have to click that, and yes, your exam will be started. Okay, so read all the instructions very carefully, and that's all from my side. Still, if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can reach out to us in the comment section. We will be answering your comments as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys.